You know, we talk all the time here at Ray Auto about our commitment to service after the sale. Well, here's a great example of Mr. Ray putting his money where his mouth is. It's Ray Instant Tow. And what it is we have a towing service. How many dealerships can say that? And the great thing is, I think a lot of people worry that when they have their car towed, there's going to be damage done to their car. But because Mr. Ray got this flatbed with a low center of gravity, I'm in a Miata. That's one of the lowest cars you can get. It sits very low to the ground, but I'm not the least bit worried about any damage being done to this car because this flatbed has a really low center of gravity also. Just picks the car up, puts it on the flatbed, and takes it away. This is what we're talking about with service after the sale. Mr. Ray, all the guys here at Ray, we're here for you. We're gonna give you that commitment, that service after the sale. You know, we got a great show coming up, so I hope you're gonna stay tuned. I'm wearing blue today, and I'm in this beautiful blue Miata, and that's because we're going to talk about diabetes and talk to someone from the Juvenile Diabetes Research Foundation a little while in the show. We're also going to have lots of great cars running through. It's going to be a great show. I hope you will stay tuned. It is time for Ray Auto Now TV.
We're not going to stop looking for a deal we can't beat.
That's right, we're looking for a deal we can't beat. You got to come see Casey and I, the deal makers here at Ray.
You can look high and you can look low, but you won't beat the deals you find on this show.
We just don't believe that there's a deal out there that we can't beat.
You must have been out on a deal-making expedition.
We've been looking for some deals we can't beat. We haven't found one yet.
Not yet.
Gotta keep looking.